we get asked a lot about how Miller Zois got to be where it is today. And the history behind Miller Zois is one that I think is pretty interesting. My partner and I both have insurance defense backgrounds. We went to law school together. We studied evidence together. And he went off and did pharmaceutical defense, which is defense for pharmaceutical companies that create drugs. I went off and did auto tort defense. And over the course of our careers, initially we both, I think, started off pretty gung-ho. We were really happy with what we were doing. We were getting into the courtroom. We were going to sleep at night and feeling good about what we were doing. However, we both had the same experience. Over the course of about a 10-year period, we both became, I think, disgruntled with the system itself. I was doing things for insurance companies that I started to question whether or not I was on the right side of the courtroom. For example, I would tell an insurance adjuster, look, I really think this lady was hurt in this car crash. I believe that her injuries are related to this car crash. And the insurance adjuster would tell me, well, you know, we've got this contributory negligence defense on this. And in Maryland, if you're 1% responsible for a car crash, your damages are zero. If the jury finds that even though the other driver is 99% responsible for a car crash, if you're 1% responsible and the jury finds you 1% responsible, your verdict is zero. So I was starting to have disagreements with the insurance carriers and how I was valuing cases. And I started winning cases that I was hoping I would lose. My partner at the same time was sitting in trials for months at a time defending tainted blood litigations, cases with 15-year-olds that contracted AIDS through negligence of others. So we decided that we were going to start a firm where we felt good about what we were doing, and we were going to take cases that we would pick and select and choose for victims of products cases and car accident cases and insurance companies taking advantage of people. And we were going to head our firm in a direction that helped fight the insurance companies and get fair compensations for people that were victims of other people's negligence. So we started our office with just the two of us. And since then, we have added fabulous attorneys, fantastic trial lawyers, and a staff that I haven't been in another office that has a staff like ours. Our staff is caring, compassionate, everybody loves their job, and I say that with all honesty. We are blessed to have a firm where I believe everybody in this office is happy to be here and loves what they do.